Hello everyone, my name is Tran Nguyen and today I'm going to talk about women's rights. So this picture is what it looked like before the 1920s, where it showed the inequality of male and female. Before that, women are not allowed to drive in a certain Middle Eastern country or participate in politics. They simply just spend most of the time at home to take care of children or doing household work. However, that is not one of the main cause for the movement. In the early 1800s, women realized the importance of their voice, so they decided to stand up and fight for their right. One of the first actions that most people believe is the Women's Rights Convention were held in Seneca Falls, New York. So about the women's suffragist movement, it's led by Susan B. Anthony and Elizabeth Cady Stanton. Susan B. Anthony is not just a leader and a co-founder of NASA, but she also have given public speeches. She given information about what it is about to fight for women's rights. She also gathered signature and sent it to the Congress and lobbying activity. There are two main groups. The first one is NASA. It stands for National American Women Suffragist Association, led by Carrie Chapman Catt with million advocates. And the second one is National Woman Party that led by Alice Paul. However, the similar between these two are they both doing the peaceful protest and they both gathering signatures to send to the Congress. They are not doing anything harmful to anyone. So after a year of fighting, they finally won the 19th Amendment in 1920, which brought the equal for women to vote. However, not so many people support them at first because they believe that this is civil disobedience, because this is going against the norm for what they believe for a long time already, that women cannot be equal to men and men always dominate the whole system and everything, economic or politic, in everything. But it did not work with Susan B. Anthony. She used civil disobedience to gain popularity, to make it become more famous and more people to know about it, so she can gather more people to sign and to give it to the Congress. So despite the huge amount of hard criticism and disagreement. And I found one of the quotes that really inspired me, that is from Mary Wollstonecraft: "I do not wish them to have power over men, but over themselves." And here's the picture that she held a peaceful protest to show that they just want for their right. They are not doing anything that's harmful, or they are not asking for anything that is too much. And here the timeline for the women suffragists. Women have been fighting for their rights since a long time ago, even before the 1920s. They started in the 1845, so they were gathering together and to discuss about the women's rights. And the very first convention were held in the July 19 and 20 in 1848. And following by that, they finally come to 1894, where the New York State Constitutional Convention is held with 600,000 signatures with the pro-suffrage, and in 1920 they won in 1920 they won the 19th Amendment, which brought the equal for their right. And here are the resources where I found the information. And thank you for listening to my presentation.